Hi, I'm Will Cox. I'm the CEO of Solera Energy, and I've been a partner of Generac for 3 years. As a PowerPlay partner, the Generac lead system is very easy to use. The Generac leads that we get are the best leads in our entire system, and it really been pleasantly surprised. The Generac brand, as successful as Solera is, the Generac brand speaks for itself. So when you have an American-made company that's had the success that they've had, rings a lot louder than the Solera brand. We're very fortunate to have the success that we've had, but since coming on as a Generac partner, they've increased our sales by 25%. The minimal cost for the investment that you receive, there's no comparison. It makes sense every single time. It's our best performing lead that we have. The cost is minimal. Compared to the return, we're seeing 150% return on our investment through the Generac PowerPlay program. I would highly recommend that anybody that has a reputable solar company join the program.